Okay, so looking at the questions for today, what we're dividing, we have 12 counters. How can we arrange them into equal rows? So let's put them into equal rows. So, what number sentences can you write to go this array? So we've got 12 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, because our total is 12, that is the number that's going to go at the beginning of the number sentence. If we look horizontally, look across, that's one group of 6 and another group of 6. How many groups are there? 1, 2. So our number sentence will be 12 divided by, or into groups of 6 equals 2. Or if we were to look vertically, we have groups of 2, and we've got them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we've either got 12 divided by 6 equals 2, or 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Remember, 12 is the total number to share from. Divided by 6 mean groups of. And this is how many we've got in each group. Let's see if we can arrange it in a different way. So again, we've got 12. This time we've got rows of 4 and columns of 3. So remember, columns are down, rows are 3. So we've got 12. That's going to be our total number, so that's going to go at the start. If we were looking horizontally, we're looking at the rows. We have 4 in each group, yep. And we've got 3 groups of them. So it would be 12 into groups of 4 equals 1, 2, 3. Or if we looked at it vertically, we've got 4 groups of 3. What about 20 counters? Right, we've got in each group, if we were looking horizontally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we've got 2 rows, or we've got 10 rows of 2. So our number sentences could be 20, because that's our total, into groups of 2. We've got 10 of them. And then we can also look across, we've got 20 groups of 10, and we've only got 2 of them. If we arrange them into different rows and columns, we've still got 20, so our total would be 20 still, so that would be the first number in our number sentence. We've got them in rows of 5, and we've got 4 rows of them, so it'll be 20 to groups of 5 equals 4. Or if we were looking vertically, we've got 20 is 20 into groups of 4, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So we've got 20 divided by 4 in groups of 4 equals 5. 20 in groups of 5, and we've got 4 of them. Have a go at the questions now. The challenges will be there for you. Okay, it'll be on the sheet.